guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I wanted to show you my brand new hair. Now, I've just got back from the hairdressers and I've had my hair done, but I've actually had some highlights put through. So can you see the root is kind of dark, but there's highlights through it. And the reason for that is I wanted a different kind of colour because I was really sick of the overgrowth in my hair. Every kind of week it was kind of growing so fast and there'd be like a harsh black line on my roots and I just wanted that to be gone. So I've had some highlights put through and look at my hair, it's absolutely gorgeous. She's put some curls through it, my hairdresser, and I just could not be happier. I've actually just gone through some rain. It was raining when I got home, so it feels a bit more kinky, but it's just so gorgeous. I love the style. We've gone for more kind of an ashy kind of white blonde. You see the roots, it's just so amazing. Highlights put through it, so we kind of have like a root drag, and I just absolutely love it. I'll just show you the back. Can you see the back and how it blends so seamlessly? I'm just completely in love with it. Now, I've just had the most amazing day. My hairdresser makes me feel so at home and she just really does make my day. We had such a laugh. This took about 6 hours to do. So she took all my extensions out and then put them all back in. So I'll just show you just slightly better the end result. So she kind of lifted all the extensions. How beautiful my hair looks. I'm so happy. And it was kind of a really kind of scary decision to kind of go for highlights because I've always had like a block colour before. It's not block, it's kind of gradual. So when I kind of get my hair done next time, I can leave it a bit longer because my hair's not going to grow that fast. And obviously there's, darker sides. I just absolutely love it. It's much more maintainable. And I think it'll make my hair look so much better because I just hate that black kind of line and then there's blonde. I just don't like it. It's so tacky. So I think this blends so well. I'm just so in love with it. And another thing I want to show you was my nails. I just had my nails done also. Can you see how cool they are? Now, I wanted something different because I always go for kind of like pinky kind of purple, like nude nails. And I just thought, right, I'm going to go for one hand different to the other because I've seen that a lot on Instagram and YouTube. And I just went for green. Now, I wasn't sure, but this kind of looks like neon kind of like gunge, like HRH Collection is really into kind of Alex. I love her, as you know. She's kind of into kind of green, grunge kind of vibes, and she's got some amazing new shorts which are bright neon green. So they reminded me of these, and also she had her nails done like this a long time ago too. So I just think it's something different. I love that hand, kind of teal colour, kind of shiny teal, and this is kind of a glitter yellow kind of neon colour. And it's not for everyone, but I just love them, and I love how they have a different shape now. We've got more kind of a coffin shape. I'm just absolutely in love. I'm going to put some pictures of my hair up too, so you can see. I'm just so in love, absolutely over the moon with my hair. I mean, it's just gorgeous. I just love the root. It's so gradual and so nice. So there we have it, guys. Just a short little video. I hope you've enjoyed it. I just wanted to check in with you guys. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube videos. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for your support. I've spoken to so many lovely subscribers, and it just makes my day when you all comment me and, you know, show me your support. I really feel like I'm not on my own, and I have like a huge, not huge, but, you know, I've got a good following. So thank you so much for all your amazing positive comments. Can't stop looking at my hair. It's so amazing. So I hope you have an amazing rest of the day. It's horrible and gloomy here.